what amount of zinc will be required to produce hydrogen by its action on dilute sulfuric acid, which will completely react with the oxygen produced by 30 gram of KClO3. So before solving the numerical problem, we have to understand which chemical reactions we have to consider. So we can see that the first case is the production of hydrogen. We know very well that some metals produce hydrogen gas upon its action on dilute acids. So at first we have to write its balanced chemical equation. So zinc plus dilute H2SO4, zinc sulfate or ZnSO4 plus hydrogen. Now again we have to write the molar masses, 65.3 grams and 2 grams for hydrogen. Now another reaction we have to consider again, oxygen production. We know very well that KClO3 upon heating produces KCl along with oxygen. So KClO3, KCl plus oxygen. Now we have to balance it, 2 KClO3, 2 KCl plus 3 O2. And 2 moles of KClO3 weighs 245 gram and 3 moles of oxygen means 96 grams of oxygen. So here in the question 30 grams of KClO3 will be taken. So as we know that 245 grams of KClO3 produces 96 grams of oxygen. So from that we can easily determine that how much oxygen will be produced from 30 grams of KClO3. 96 divided by 245 into 30 grams of oxygen. That means 11.755 grams of oxygen it is producing. So now we have to take into consideration another kind of reaction. Here the question is which will completely react with oxygen. That means complete reaction of hydrogen with oxygen. We know what? The complete reaction of hydrogen and oxygen produces water, right? So hydrogen plus oxygen produces water. So this is a balanced chemical reaction, and 2 into 2, that means 4, and this means 32 grams of oxygen. So 32 grams of oxygen reacts completely with 4 grams of hydrogen, right? So we have to determine that how much hydrogen reacts completely with 11.755 grams of oxygen. By unitary method we can easily determine. So by 11.755 grams of oxygen completely reacts with 4 by 32 into 11.755 grams of hydrogen, right? So after calculation we are getting 1.46 gram of hydrogen. Now look at this equation. Zinc 65.3 gram produces 2 grams of hydrogen, and here 11.755 grams of oxygen reacts completely with 1.46 grams of hydrogen. So we have to determine that from what amount of zinc it is coming. So 2 grams of hydrogen is produced from 65.3 grams of zinc, and so 1.46 grams of hydrogen is produced from 65.3 divided by 2 into 1.46 grams. So weight of zinc is this one. So our question was what amount of zinc will be required. So this is our answer, 47